How to turn off or on friend request notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open VK and then click hub, here is it, and then go to this three lines here in the top corner. After that go to settings, then go to notifications, and once you're here all you need to do just scroll down until you find events, and here we'll find it friend requests, and here you can turn it off or on, push notifications. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.